Hello friends and welcome! Today's video is on pineapple pachadi. This video shows how to easily prepare pineapple pachadi, one of the main dishes in an Onam Sadya. If you like the video, remember to like, comment, and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. For the pachadi, 1 cup of small pieces of pineapple has been taken. Now, to prepare the pachadi, a pan has been taken. Add the pineapple pieces to it. Also add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Add the required salt for the pachadi at this time. Now pour enough water to cook the pineapple. After mixing it well, cover and boil it. When the water boils, keep the stove on a medium flame. At this time, take a small mixer jar. Add 1/2 cup of grated coconut to it. Also add 2 green chilies. The amount can be increased or decreased according to the spice level of the chilies. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now use the mixer to make a fine paste. Add enough water to make the paste. After about 6 minutes, open the lid. The pineapple has now cooked well and the water has evaporated. Now add the ground paste that we have prepared. Mix it well. To get rid of the raw smell of the coconut, simmer it on a low flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the stove. After it cools down, add the curd to it. 1 cup of curd is added here. Now mix it well. Taste the pachadi and add salt if needed. Salt was added while boiling the pineapple. At this time, in another pan, add 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil. Splutter 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, add 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves and fry it. Pour this into the pachadi. Cover it immediately. After about 20 to 30 seconds, open it. Then mix it well. Now pineapple pachadi, one of the main items in an Onam Sadya, is ready here. Pineapple pachadi is an item that everyone can easily prepare at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos. Try to watch them. So, a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.